Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg in ramen. We'll cover two popular methods, the classic soft-boiled egg and the quick poached egg. Adding an egg is a fantastic way to boost flavor and nutrition, transforming a simple meal into something truly special. You'll learn precise timings and techniques to achieve perfect results every time, making your ramen experience even more delicious and satisfying. For a perfect soft-boiled egg, begin by bringing a small pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully lower your egg into the water using a spoon. Cook it for exactly 6 minutes for a wonderfully jammy yolk, or 7 minutes if you prefer it a little firmer. Immediately transfer the egg to an ice bath to halt the cooking. This ensures a beautiful, easy-to-peel result that will elevate your ramen. If you're short on time, a poached egg is a fantastic option. Once your ramen broth is simmering, create a gentle swirl in the pot. Carefully crack one egg directly into the center of the swirling broth. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. The white will set beautifully, leaving you with a delightful, runny yolk that mixes perfectly with your ramen. Once your egg is perfectly cooked, whether soft-boiled or poached, gently add it to your prepared ramen just before serving. Feel free to garnish with some fresh chopped green onions, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, or a dash of chili oil for extra flavor. Don't hesitate to experiment with cooking times to discover your absolute favorite yolk consistency. This simple step truly transforms your ramen into a gourmet delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.